Welcome to Best Pick. Top 11 Smart Ceiling Fan with Remote Control for Indoor and Outdoor, Reviews and Buying Guide. Top 1. MINKA-AIRE F905LL and Artemis XL 562-inch ceiling fan with LED light and DC motor in liquid nickel finish. About this item. Design. Unique design statement. The Artemis XL5 is designed in a liquid nickel finish and 5 liquid nickel blades. Bulb. The Artemis XL5 ceiling fan includes an integrated 16-watt dimmable LED light module in tinted opal glass. Included, one RC600, 6-speed handheld remote with full-range light dimming, on-off, forward and reverse function, and one 6 inches downrod. Motor, conveniently quiet, 6-speed, reversible DC motor. Run summer and winter to aid in rotating air and cutting down on energy costs. Dimensions, measures 13.75 from the ceiling to the lowest point of the fan with the included 6 inches downrod. This contemporary ceiling fan has a blade sweep diameter of 62 with variable blade pitch. Additional, requires Bond Hub BD1000, sold separately, to work with Amazon Alexa or Google Home. Optional WC600 wall control can be purchased separately. Top 2. Kichler 3000285 Gentry XL Ceiling Fan, 1 light, distressed black. About this item. Industrial era distressed black finish complements many decor styles. LED light provides 1600 lumens. 9-blade design provides good air circulation. Provides ambient lighting, which provides overall illumination to the area. For perfect ambient light, it provides a 17W dimmable integrated LED platform. The DC motor is the ultimate in energy-efficient operation and uses up to 70% less electricity than an AC motor fan. And for the ultimate comfort, it operates whisper quiet. Why Kichler? At Kichler Lighting, everything we do, every single day, is with the intention of creating and delivering products that allow people to see what matters most to them. Creating on-trend designs that are both stylish and lifestylish. Top 3. Monte Carlo 3MA VR68 GPD Maverick Modern Energy Star 60 inches ceiling fan with LED light and hand remote control, 3 balsa wood blades, aged pewter. About this item. Maverick outdoor ceiling fan with light, 18-watt integrated LED light kit, dimmable, 3000 K, 1100 lumens, 90 CRI. Dimensions, diameter 60 inches. Height, 13.8 inches, from ceiling to bottom of fan light, includes 6 inches downrod. Weight 12.8 pounds. Fan blades, 3 outdoor approved light gray weathered oak blades, 60 span/13 degrees blade pitch. CFM, 5365. Fan control, includes 6 fan speed handheld remote control with reversing function and light dimming. Installation, installable on flat ceiling with included hardware and on sloped ceilings up to 15 degrees with vaulted canopy included. Details, aged pewter finish. Cull approved for damp locations. Premium power 85x 28mm DC motor for quiet operation. Monte Carlo fan, a modern fan with LED technology. Maverick 2 LED collection, a perfect blend beauty and efficiency. The energy-efficient fan provides optimal airflow while complementing the decor of almost every room. The fan is recognized for integrated LED technology that consists of highest quality LED chipsets for ultimate performance. The 3-blade indoor fan has a sleek modern silhouette, a DC motor and super energy efficiency, making it the most reliable choice among the interior designers and electricians. Top 4. Goozegg 88-inch ceiling fan with remote control, no lights, 3 balsa wood blades, reversible DC motor, extra large, dark walnut black. About this item. Goozegg 88-inch indoor/outdoor ceiling fan. Diameter, 88, height, 41.5, included 36 downward, power, 4W50W, voltage, 120V. 3 balanced balsa wood blades finished in dark walnut. 88 span for great rooms, large ceiling fans over 70 inches. Handheld remote control. The large modern ceiling fan with remote control included 6 speeds, reverse, timer, variable speeds function. Easy to install on the flat or sloped ceiling with the included hardware. Reminder, don't forget assemble the steel cover with the blades. With a reversible DC motor, the fan can be used in the summer and winter. Super large ceiling fan without light. 3 downwards included for different height ceiling. 36-inch, 10-inch, 5-inch downwards and extension wire included. Super large ceiling fan without light. Handcraft wood blades. The soft curve of the handcraft balsa wood blades maximizes airflow. The DC motor paired with the blades reducing 50% energy consumption. Use for indoor or outdoor. From a cozy room to the spacious room, Goozegg ceiling fan offers the best airflow option for your space. 52 inches, 60 inches, 70 inches, 88 inches. Energy efficient PMDC motor. The silent PMDC motor 153/20mm produces more power and torque while using 70% less energy. Long lifetime service. Very quiet, no wobble. Handheld remote control. Easy design remote control can be mounted on the wall with the included accessories. Included 6 speeds, reverse, timer, variable function. 3 downwards with extension wire. Included 3 downwards, 5-inch, 10-inch, 36-inch, meet different heights of the ceiling. Included a long extension wire for the 36 downward. Top 5. MINKA-AIRE F864 LHPZ Barn 65 ceiling fan with LED light and DC motor, brown heirloom bronze finish. About this item. Design: the beautiful new MINKA-AIRE barn ceiling fan, F864 LHPZ, a 65 inches windmill-style ceiling fan is the perfect finishing touch to any country farmhouse interior. Bulb: the barn ceiling fan includes an integrated 40-watt dimmable LED light module and clear rib glass. Included, 1 RC400, 6-speed handheld remote control and 1 10-inch downward motor, conveniently quiet, 6-speed, reversible motor. Run summer and winter to aid in rotating air and cutting down on energy costs. Dimensions: measures 20.5 from the ceiling to the lowest point of the fan. This unique style ceiling fan has a blade sweep diameter of 65 with variable blade pitch. Additional, Wi-Fi enabled, allowing use with smart devices like Amazon Echo and Google Home. MINKA-AIRE F864 LHPZ Barn 65 inches 10-blade indoor smart fan with 6-speed DC motor and LED light in heirloom bronze finish works with Alexa, Nest, Ecobee, Google Home and iOS Android app. The MINKA-AIRE barn combines the look of a windmill ceiling fan with smart technology and a DC motor. Not only does this fan make a design statement in virtually any room, it costs 75% less to operate than a typical AC motor fan and has the ability to be controlled by simple voice commands or the push of a button. This is a Wi-Fi enabled ceiling fan powered by Smart by Bond technology, which allows you to connect this device via Wi-Fi to your preferred smart home system. Fast and easy setup. Simply download the latest Bond app to your smartphone. Available for iOS and Android, Smart by Bond connects to your internet Wi-Fi network, instantly adding voice control with Amazon Alexa and Google Home Assistant. This means that your ceiling fan can be voice activated. Additional drivers are available for full integration with other systems including SmartThings, Control4, Elan, Hubitat, and more. Top 6. Wynd Smart Indoor and Outdoor 5-blade ceiling fan 60 in matte black with 3000K LED light kit and remote control works with Alexa, Google Assistant, Samsung Things, and iOS or Android app. About this item. Modern forms fans pair with the smart home tech you know and love, including Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, Samsung Smart Things, Ecobee, Control4, and Josh AI. Coming soon, Savant, Lettrum Homeworks, and Nest. Free app download. Sync with our exclusive Modern Forms app to control fan speed. Use smart features like breeze mode, adaptive learning, create groups, and reduce energy costs. New, Bluetooth compatible for improved range and an unlimited amount of fans can be controlled with remote or wall control within range. Battery-operated Bluetooth remote control with wall cradle included, part FRCBTWT. Optional Bluetooth hardwired wall control sold separately, part FWCBTWT, and can be set up as 3 or 4-way switches when you purchase more than one. Can be controlled through an Android or iOS wall-mounted tablet with Wi-Fi. Modern Forms fans are made with incredibly efficient and completely silent DC motors and are up to 70% more efficient than traditional fans. Every fan is factory balanced and sound tested to ensure each fan will never wobble, rattle or click. Replaceable LED luminaire powered by WAC lighting, features smooth and continuous brightness control. Available in 2700K, 3000K, and 3500K options, order accordingly. An optional cover is included to conceal luminaire. ETL, CETL, UL, CAL, CSA can wet location listed for indoor or outdoor applications. Can be installed on slope ceilings up to a 32-degree slope. XFSE case slope ceiling kit available for slopes 32 to 45 degrees. Downwards sold separately for longer lengths. Top 7. Progress Lighting Vernal Collection 60-inch 5-blade wood grain LED Wi-Fi transitional indoor-outdoor smart DC ceiling fan. About this item: transitional ceiling FAN, add a cool breeze to your favorite living space with a ceiling fan from the Vernal Collection. Ideal for any bedroom, living room, great room, or covered porch in transitional style settings. ABS blades. 5 slightly curved ABS blades are coated in a handsome wood grain finish with bronze accents. Light source is covered by a shatterproof crisp white opal shade. Smart by Bond Wi-Fi app. Enjoy smart living technology by controlling your ceiling fan and light with your smart device or voice control via our Smart by Bond Wi-Fi app. Dimensions: downwards bulbs, measures 60-inch width by 14-1/4-inch height. Integrated LED module, 18W. 3000K 90 CRI. Dimmable. DC motor. Warranty: we guarantee your complete satisfaction with your purchase and offer professional. Make your purchase today to breathe new life into your lighting design. Top 8. Wynd Smart Indoor and Outdoor 5-blade ceiling fan 52 in stainless steel with 3000K LED light kit and remote control. Works with Alexa, Google Assistant, Samsung Things, and iOS or Android app. About this item: Modern Forms fans pair with the smart home tech you know and love, including Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, Samsung Smart Things, Ecobee, Control 4, and Josh AI. Coming soon: Savant, Lettrum Homeworks, and Nest. Free app download. Sync with our exclusive Modern Forms app to control fan speed. Use smart features like breeze mode, adaptive learning, create groups, and reduce energy costs. New, Bluetooth compatible for improved range and an unlimited amount of fans can be controlled with remote or wall control within range. Battery-operated Bluetooth remote control with wall cradle included, part FRCBTWT. Optional Bluetooth hardwired wall control sold separately, part FWCBTWT, and can be set up as 3 or 4-way switches when you purchase more than one. Can be controlled through an Android or iOS wall-mounted tablet with Wi-Fi. Modern Forms fans are made with incredibly efficient and completely silent DC motors and are up to 70% more efficient than traditional fans. Every fan is factory balanced and sound tested to ensure each fan will never wobble, rattle or click. Replaceable LED luminaire powered by WAC lighting, features smooth and continuous brightness control. Available in 2700K, 3000K, and 3500K options, order accordingly. An optional cover is included to conceal luminaire. ETL, CETL, UL, CAL, CSA can wet location listed for indoor or outdoor applications. Can be installed on slope ceilings up to a 32-degree slope. XFSE case slope ceiling kit available for slopes 32 to 45 degrees. Downwards sold separately for longer lengths. Top 9. By Gizmo's 84-inch industrial DC motor ceiling fan, damp-rated indoor or covered outdoor ceiling fans for home or commercial, porch, patio, warehouse, restaurant, 6-speed remote control. About this item. Industrial ceiling fan. The 84-inch industrial ceiling fan boasts a unique design that complements both casual settings such as shops and barns and sophisticated areas like in your office or living room. Perfect for garage, commercial, residential, any home improvement project that wants a sleek, modern look. Damp-rated, the large diameter blades deliver a cooling circulation and can be used in both summer and winter to effectively cool any area. Includes a 6-speed remote to provide the ultimate in custom comfort. Our fans are damp-rated, perfect for outdoor patios, workshops, breezeways, gazebos, pergolas and other outdoor spaces. Not suitable for locations in humid climates with salt water exposure. DC motor. DC motor is energy efficient and ETL listed and has convenient wall holder for remote storage. These fans save on operating costs with energy-efficient DC motors. They save up to 65% more efficient than traditional AC fan motors. Metal aluminum blade, which can improve service life of ceiling fan. Blade color is aluminum. We provide customized download service, and the waiting time is 60 to 90 days. For details, please contact the brand customer service through the chat on Amazon website. We suggest that your ceiling height should be about 13 to 20 feet, the blade edge should be at least 6 feet away from walls, the room should be more than 20 feet in length and width. Notice, in summer mode, the fan rotates counterclockwise. If you feel there's no wind, it's probably in the wrong direction, so if you're standing directly under the fan should rotate right up, left, down, right, left, down, right. Top 10. Honeywell Ceiling Fans 50609-01 Xerxes Ceiling Fan with Remote Control, 62 inches, Espresso Bronze. About this item. Large contemporary, elevate your space with a brand new fan. The Honeywell Xerxes boasts a bold body and dual finish fan blades which quickly enable you to pick the style that best fits your specific space. Integrated LED, power to light up a room but also dimmable. Ample, fully integrated LED board. The ceiling fan is 1400 lumens, 18 watts. The beam angle is 120 degrees, 2700 kelvins color temperature and dimmable 10% to 100%. Remote control included. Controlling your fan has never been easier. The 3-speed settings of your fan as well as the light output all from the convenience of an easy-to-use remote control, included. Also compatible with Google Home and Alexa with a Bond Home, sold separately. Batteries included. Conveniently quiet, reversible, 3-speed, powerful motor. The reverse airflow feature allows you to quickly change the direction of the fan, for a proper distribution of air. Hanging has never been easier. Enjoy the dynamic hanging capabilities of a multi-position ceiling fan. Dual mount compatible, hanging has never been easier. Enjoy the dynamic hanging capabilities of a multi-position ceiling fan. This fan can be hung standard with a 4 inches downward, included, or on angled ceilings, angle bracket sold separately. Measurements. The ceiling fan, if hung standard, with downward, measures 14.33 inches from ceiling to bottom of light fixture. The blade span is 62 inches and is best suited for larger spaces such as living rooms, bedrooms and large common areas. Top 11. Riga 52-inch bright white large ceiling fan with dimmable LED light kit remote control modern 3 blades reversible quiet DC ETL motor, 6-speed, timer, for bedroom, living room and patio. About this item. Silicon steel DC motor delivers ultra-powerful air movement, mute rotation, energy efficient and long service life. ETL certification. Remote control, All operations can be controlled by the remote control. Adjust the lighting switch of the ceiling fan dimming, white light, warm light, yellow light, 6 wind speeds, and supports timing, 1/3/8 hours, sleep shutdown. The fan or illumination can be turned on separately. Two-way rotation. The reversible control function allows you to switch the direction of the modern ceiling fan from downward airflow during the summer to upward during the cooler winter period to reclaim lost heat from the ceiling and cutting down on energy costs. Easy to install, diameter 52 inches, 2 down rods, 6-inch and 10-inch, for low and ceiling height. Hanging system ensure that the fan is well balanced. Downward diameter, 1.04. Applicable place, 100 SQFT 250 SQFT, living room, bedroom, dining room, office, kitchen, restaurant, etc. We offer 30 days unsatisfied replacement free or return 100% return service. Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, don't forget to subscribe.